How do you feel to be just... Oh my...
Oh my god. The dive bombed me.
Can we go get Smurf?
Yeah. Oh my god.
What?
It's there.
Sean, there's an ambulance there for a reason. Damn it, it won't frickin' zoom. That ambulance is for you.
I know.
They knew it would come.
After the seagulls have killed me.
Blame on my ADD, baby.
They full on attacked us. Oh my god, it's coming closer. It's walking towards us.
Oh, fine. Just flow away. Ugh.